This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we are talking about setting up a fashion design and tailoring company in the UAE. A fashion design and tailoring license allows companies to operate in the UAE's thriving fashion and apparel industry by offering custom clothing design, tailoring, alterations, and ready-to-wear production. Here's what you can do with this license. Offer custom tailoring services for men, women, and children, including suits, dresses, uniforms, abayas, and kanduras. Set up a fashion design studio to create clothing lines, collections, and fashion concepts for individuals or brands. Provide alteration and repair services for garment adjustments, resizing, and stitching. Launch ready-to-wear apparel production through small-scale manufacturing or outsourcing. Design and supply uniforms and corporate wear for hotels, schools, airlines, and corporates. Run an online fashion boutique selling custom or designer clothing. Trade textiles and fabrics as an optional activity by sourcing and reselling premium materials and accessories. Now let's talk about where to set up. If you want to open a boutique, tailoring shop, or fashion studio that serves walk-in customers, the Mainland is your best choice. It allows you to sell directly to the public, take part in local exhibitions and pop-up events, and operate from a physical shop or studio. If your goal is to work online or export fashion products internationally, a free zone setup might suit you better. It's more cost-effective, offers 100% foreign ownership, and is perfect for e-commerce boutiques, design consultancies, or B2B fashion exporters. Popular free zones for fashion includes Dubai Design District, Rakiz, and Sharjah Free Zone. Just know that free zone companies can design, produce, or sell online, but need a local distributor or branch to sell directly to the Mainland customers. So here's the bottom line. Pick the Mainland if you want to open a boutique, design studio, or tailoring shop serving local clients cost-effectively. Pick up a free zone if you plan to run an online fashion business, export apparel, or operate cost-effectively. Now let's cover approvals and compliance you will need. Dubai Municipality or Civil Defense approval for shop layout and safety compliance. DED or Free Zone Authority approval for fashion or tailoring related activities and setting up an office. Trademark registration under the Ministry of Economy if you are launching your own brand. An import or export code from UAE Customs if you plan to trade fabrics or garments. To open a corporate bank account, you will need a detailed business plan explaining your fashion concept and sales model, supplier and clients agreements, shop or studio lease agreement, sample portfolio or online store details, trade license and approvals. Here's your game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activities, apply for your trade license, get approvals, secure your studio or retail space, process investor or partner visa, open your corporate bank account, register your trademark or brand, register for corporate tax and VAT, launch operations. And that's it. Your fashion design and tailoring company is ready to go. If this sounds like your next business idea, we are here to help. We have assisted over 25,000 entrepreneurs in setting up their businesses across the UAE over the past decade. Fill out the form in the description and let's get your business started.